Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Saher, and today we are doing another planner unboxing. So let's get to it. And if you're new, please do subscribe, like this channel, and comment down which part of the video did you like. So I did this makeup look and it's already live on my channel. I will tag somewhere here or here, and you can go ahead and check that out. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the planner that we are talking about is from Happy Wagon, and this is a gift. This is a gift that I gave to myself because I wanted to, plan my year properly and do much more in terms of YouTube and track down all the videos that I need to record before I forget. So yeah, this is how the planner looks like, and let me also show you the planner that I bought last year. This is by the brand Space and Beauty. This planner, unfortunately, I didn't use it much, and I will tell you the reason why as we further go along the video. So let's get to it. That it comes in a magnetic box, and it is never too late, a beautiful quote over here. This planner doesn't come with a sticker book per se, but it comes with little goodies inside the book itself. So this is how the planner looks like. It is not too big, it is not too small, perfect size planner, perfect thickness. So this is the thickness. It's a hardbound planner, very beautifully printed. This is the 2022 floral romance planner by Tatiana. She's a Brazilian artist who has first time designed Indian planner. So this is made in India. So this is priced at 1,899. When I bought it, I got it for the price of 899 rupees. Yes, 1,000 rupees discount, but right now it is priced at 1,199. There are no shipping charges, so everything that you pay is for the planner itself. Unlike my husband's planner, there was COD, but for this there is no COD. You will have to pay either by card or by UPI IDs. There are two sleeves that she has made. One is the floral romance. The second one is called as the bird wines. I will insert a picture over here. That is also retailing at 1,899 rupees, but right now after discount it is at 1,499. So they are on discount but at different rates, so whichever you like it, you can purchase it. So as you would saw that the bird wines was white with pink floral things, and I am a person who will get things dirty like easily. As it is, I am really clumsy. I stand and I fall. So I decided to go with the black planner. This was very feminine but not right in your face with all the pinks and all of that. So this is why I picked this planner. But there is another reason why I picked this planner. There is another reason why I picked this planner, and that is because it is very simple. I'll show you. So when you have the planner in hand, you will see that it has got gold foiled year written over here, which is really great. Quality of the planner is really good for the price that I am paying. It is amazing, it is really good. And let me show you the last year's planner. I was really bogged down because I paid a bomb for it. I know you get a lot of free goodies, but when the planner itself doesn't hit home. I did love it initially, but as I was writing down, this is my first planner, and it became too much for me. And also the quality here, if you don't see, can you see this ruching? Like as if they've just taken a wrapper, like a gift wrapper, and they've just pasted it, so the finish was not that great. This one, for half of the price, like this one was 1,899 to 2,000 rupees. So the paper quality in this one is not that great. You can see it is literally thin, very thin and flimsy. I think it should be 80 GSM at the most, 100, maybe less than 100, because it's very opaque. So this is how the planner looked like, and I didn't use it much. Because it was really complicated for me. There were a lot of things like sacred rituals, dream board, which is fine, urine pixels, and all of that. So it was really complicated for me, and a first time user would be really confused. So there was the graphics on it were really beautiful, like bookstagram. To look it is really nice, to keep it on a shelf is really beautiful, but to use it, it was a little bit complicated, and that's what I didn't like about this planner. And as and when I was using it, there was higgy, and I didn't want to do all that jazz because I'm a first time user, right? And they had ultimate sticker book and things of that sort, but it didn't matter when the planner, the actual reason why you bought this planner, was not hitting home. Now let's come back to the planner that I have in hand, because this video will be too long and I know you guys won't see it. I know not a lot of people are nerds out there, but for people who are really into planning, or even they are not but want to kind of write down what they did, or how the day was, or things of that sort, this is a really good planner to go with. And the first page you can see, this planner belongs to, I took the stickers from the last year's planner and put it on this one. So, and the planner itself has got this butterfly and the leaves. It's very simple pastel colors, very beautiful. This is how I took. There is another one on Happy Wagon. It is a spiral bind one. I will insert a picture over here. It is by Bindya Sameer, and that retails for 1299, and after discount it is at 999 rupees presently. So if you are somebody who likes a spiral binding planner, then go ahead for it. But knowing how I am, I know the pages will get torn by my hand, and I didn't want to take a risk and see pages flying all across. So that's why I went ahead with this one. Sorry for the fact that I had lipstick on my teeth. I've just cleaned it up. So the next page we see overall overview of the calendar 2022, and again they have not given a 2023 calendar but just 2022 spaced out. So in case you want to mark down something or track something, you can do that. That is Year at a Glance has got all of the months with enough space for you to kind of put down your thoughts, or what you want to achieve, or what you achieved in that particular month. Like once the month is done, you can summarize as to what was the main highlight of that month. So that one you can do. And then we come to this page where there is a beautiful quote over here and a very beautiful picture. I really liked it. I've already started writing things in the January month, so I will not show that to you guys. And this is how the page looks like. So there is monthly planning, to-do list, and habit trackers. So just put as walking, and I've just put today's date, so you can track down the dates you did and what you did, where you did, all that you can put down. So they've given 3 habits that you can track, which I think is really sufficient for 1 month. It is easily manageable. After that, you come across this page again, very beautiful design here, and you've got the months over here, right? Like January and the dates and months. So we started January on a Saturday. Unlike other planners, the Saturday and Sunday are given very small, but they've given equal spaces, which I really liked about. And this is the month of February, and once you turn the page, this is how you come across with the February month. I've just put one note over here just to show you how you can make notes of it. And here again there is notes in case you needed to buy certain things or groceries or things of that sort, you can list down. And again, it looks really beautiful. It's got these pastel vibes to it, and then again followed by the same pages here. The one more thing I just wanted to show you, look at the quality of pages, and look at that quality. This is 10 times better, and at a price lesser than that, and it's an Indian based planner, like it's made in India, and it's done so beautifully. Hats off to Happy Wagon. I really like it. Space and Beauty's planners are very famous, but then this exceeds that, and I'm really surprised by it. And I got it at a very discounted price, so it made it even more better. By the way, the pages are 120 GSM, which is really good in terms of if you want to highlight something, if you want to use sketch pen to kind of highlight, write something in bold or something like that, then you can do it and it won't bleed. So that is another plus. This is December, and once the December month is done, you can see December month is over here, and you come to this page, which again is very beautiful. I really liked it. It says believe in yourself, which is so important to do in today's time. Once you go by that, then you have a page where you can, track your password. So in case you have, like, I have a YouTube account, and if I need to keep my password and all of that, I can do that. So the columns here says website username, password, and email, which is really good. And then you are given sticker pages. So there isn't a sticker book per se, but there are 3 sticker pages, which is decent enough, and for the price it's really good. So these are the sticker pages, and these are gold foil stickers where it's written relax, shopping, and things of that thoughtful, and followed by empty pages. So they have given a decent set of empty pages that you can just absolutely scribble whatever that you feel like. And at the end I've given year-end review, which is amazing, and this is how it ends. Now the surprising part was that they've given a pouch, a sleeve. So in case you want to keep certain bills and all of that for, your taxation purposes, or for any other reasons, like you want to track down your expenses for the year end, and or if you're into all of that things, you can do that, and you get such sleeves and pouches like this pouch. You generally get in expensive planners and not in such a beautiful planner. So this is the bookmark that you get. It's a simple satin bookmark, but from the last year's planner I had this bookmark, so I'm using. I loved it even better than Alicia Souza's, because this time around I decided to buy Alicia Souza, who is like the OG of planners, the queen of planners. I decided to buy hers, and that's the reason I went to Happy Wagon site, only because they also sell Alicia Souza's planner there, and I wanted to check prices. Across this one, I was like, I don't want Alicia Souza, this is awesome as it is, so I purchased this one. So I hope you guys want to purchase it. I know it's already 10th today when I'm filming it, and by the time I'm uploaded it might be 15th or so, and it might be like 15 days have passed, but it's still January, and I think you can definitely purchase this, and they deliver within 3 to 5 working days. So if you guys are planning to pick this planner, I will give it a big thumbs up, and you have to check it out. Don't go for any other ones, go for this. It's also available on Amazon, but there is no discount on it, so go on their website. I'll leave the link. This is not sponsored, this is my own hard research that I did to find a good planner for me, which was not overwhelming with period tracker and water drinking tracker and expenses and things you want to buy, things you want to give, things you want to do this, your wish list and ikigai. I think इतना सब कुछ मुझे तामझाम चाहिए ही नहीं था. मुझे बस बहुत सिंपल सा प्लानर चाहिए था. I looked for the same thing for my husband because he's a first time user, and I've been through the fact that it's too overwhelming when you use a planner. You want something very simple, you want no bullshit, no nonsense, and something easy, and this planner does it all. And if you like this video, and if you are intending to purchase this, let me know, and let me know you plan. Let's plan together for 2022, and let's achieve our dreams and goals and streamline our lives. As it is, we are at homes, we are in the middle of pandemic, things are getting crazy, there's no division between your work life, your personal life, so a planner is a way to go to help you kind of maintain a balance and give you the sort of ideas to track things. Please do give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.